Most people think gut health is just about digestion or avoiding bloating. But the truth is, your gut is the control center for your immune system and detox. If your gut is weak, no diet, detox, or supplement will work long term. Today, I'll show you how healing your gut can transform your immunity and energy. I had a client who struggled for years with IBS, constant bloating, fatigue, and random allergies. She tried every new diet, probiotics from the store, and even detox teas, but nothing worked because she was focusing only on the symptoms, not the root cause. When we rebuilt her gut, step by step, everything changed. Within weeks, her bloating was gone, her energy shot up, and her immune system became stronger than ever. That was the breakthrough. The gut is the foundation. So let me share with you 3 tips. Tip number 1. Gut healing is about avoiding foods. Most people think gut healing is about cutting things out, but the truth is, it is about adding in what your body is missing. Probiotics, bone broth, and fiber-rich veggies feed your microbiome and repair your gut lining. Tip number 2. My body just doesn't work like it used to. You might think your body is too damaged or too old to repair, but your gut is constantly regenerating. With the right support, you can rebuild your gut lining in as little as 3 to 4 weeks, even if you've struggled for years. Tip number 3. I've tried supplements. They don't work for me. The problem isn't that supplements don't work. It's that without proper digestion and absorption, your body can't use them. That's why hydration and stomach acid support are just as important as probiotics. When your gut works, everything else works. So, here's the bottom line. Your gut isn't just about digestion. It's the gateway to immunity, detox, and lasting energy. If you want to know exactly how to rebuild your gut step by step, I'm offering a free 30-minute health consultation. Together, we'll create a personalized plan to get your gut, immune system, and energy back on track. Click the link below to book your free session, because when you heal your gut, you heal your life.